For the last few years, many movies have made in Bollywood based on the biography of legends of India. And some of those biopic movies really created an impact in box office too. Hello, this is Jubair. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to discuss with you some of the best biopic movies made in Hindi over the last 10 years. So, without waiting much time, let's quickly start the countdown for top 8 Bollywood biopic movies of last decade. Number 8. Super 30. Super 30, directed by Vikas Pale, is the biopic of mathematician Anand Kumar, who opens a program named Super 30 where he teaches 30 students for IIT in free of cost. Anand Kumar, who was born into the family of a postal department clerk, showed enough mathematical aptitude to be admitted to Cambridge. Hrithik Roshan played the role of mathematician Anand Kumar in this critically acclaimed movie. For this biographical drama released in 2019, Hrithik not just changed the look but also changed the body language and voice modulation to justify the character of Anand Kumar. Even Super 30 got mixed reaction from the audience. Both critics and viewers praised Hrithik's performance and the storyline. Number 7. Sarabjit. The second film in this list is about the incredible real-life story of Sarabjit Singh's decade-long imprisonment. Sarabjit Singh, who lives in Bikaner of Punjab, accidentally crossed the Indo-Pak border due to his drunken state and gets arrested by Pakistan Army. He was sentenced to death by the Supreme Court of Pakistan in 1991 and who consequently spent 22 years in prison for alleged terrorism and spying. He was apparently attacked by fellow prisoners in 2013 and died from his injuries. Randeep Hooda played the title role in this film, directed by Umang Kumar. The movie also showed his sister Dalbir Kaur's fight for his freedom. Aishwarya Rai played the role of his sister. This 2016 flick got mixed critical reaction. Number 6. Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi is the latest movie in this list and is the one and only movie released through OTT platform among this age. This movie about world-renowned mathematician Shakuntala Devi was scheduled to be theatrically released in India on 8th May. But due to lockdown, Shakuntala Devi was streamed online through Amazon Prime Video. This biographical film, written and directed by Anu Menon, features Vidya Balan as Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi is well known as the human computer who can solve complex calculation within seconds. The film also features Jishu Sengupta, Sania Malhotra and Amit Saad. The movie got 3.9 out of 5 rating from Amazon audience. Number 5. Shahid. Shahid is based on the life of lawyer and human rights activist Shahid Azmi, who was assassinated in 2010. Shahid is one of the most brutally honest biopic among this age. The movie portrays Shahid Azmi, who was a former militant operative, and his fights to get justice for those who have been falsely convicted of terrorism. But Shahid Azmi himself meets an unjust end. This Hansalma, the directorial film, was released in 2013. Rajkumar Rao won the National Award for Best Actor for portraying the title role with honesty. The film also met with critical acclaim and was a box office success. Number 4. Dirty Picture. Dirty Picture is inspired by the life of South Indian actress Silk Smitha, who was noted for her erotic roles. But in this film, the lead character's name is Reshma, played by Vidya Balan. The film boosted Vidya Balan's career growth and is credited for paving the way for other future female-centric stories. This biographical musical drama film was released in 2011 under the direction of Milan Luthria. It was a massive success among the audience and the critics, with particular praise for Vidya Balan's performance. The film also features Imran Hashmi, Naseeruddin Shah and Tushar Kapoor in lead roles. Dirty Picture won 3 National Film Awards including Best Actress. The movie also won 3 Filmfare Awards and 6 Screen Awards including Best Picture and Best Director. Number 3. Sanju. Sanju follows the life of Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt. The film portrays Sanjay Dutt's addiction with drugs, arrest for illegal association with 1993 Bombay bombings, relationship with his father, comeback in the industry, the eventual drop of charges from Bombay Blast, and release after completing his jail term. This Rajkumar Hirani directorial movie was released in 2018. Ranbir Kapoor portrayed the role of Dutt along with an ensemble cast which features Paresh Rawal, Vicky Kaushal, Manisha Koirala, Dia Mirza, Sonam Kapoor, Anushka Sharma, and Jim Sharp. Sanju emerged as the highest grossing Bollywood film of 2018. Ranbir Kapoor and Vicky Kaushal's performance were widely appreciated both by critics and the audience. The movie gave Best Actor and Best Supporting Actor awards at 64th Filmfare Award function for them. Number 2. MS Dhoni, The Untold Story. This movie is the one of the most motivational biopic in this list. When we watch this movie after the retirement of Dhoni from international cricket, we will definitely admire on the world-renowned cricketer who dreamt of being a cricketer from Jharkhand's small town and contributed many achievements to the nation, including World Cup. One of the best things about this movie is its casting. Sushant Singh Rajput lived, played and motivated us exactly as MS Dhoni. When the movie was released in 2016, many have gone to watch it as the fan of Mahendra Singh Dhoni and returned as admirer of Sushant Singh too. His dedication, talent and perfection was reflecting on each and every scene of the movie. MS Dhoni, The Untold Story is considered as the best movie of Sushant, who passed away at his 34. This biographical sports film, written and directed by Neeraj Pandey, was widely appreciated by viewers and critics for its brilliant portrayal of life of a sportsman in a dramatic, emotional and highly engaging narrative style. Number 1. Dangal. Dangal is considered as the best biopic movie made in Bollywood over the last 10 years as the movie carries a strong social message. It's about willpower, a man who believed in his vision and empowerment. This Aamir Khan star movie is about the life of Mahavir Singh Phogat, a former wrestler who decided to fulfill his dream of winning a gold medal for his country by training his daughters for the Commonwealth Games despite of the existing social stigmas. This biographical sports drama film, directed by Nitish Tiwari and produced by Aamir Khan, was released in 2016 and was a record-breaking commercial success, becoming the highest-grossing Indian film ever. Aamir Khan as Mahavir Singh Phogat stole the hearts of millions and well praised by critics. Dangal bagged several awards including international and national awards. So guys, these were the top 8 biopic movies made in Hindi over the last 10 years. If you have any suggestion about the list, you can put that in the comment box here. If your favorite biopic movie is not listed in this list, you can mention name of that movie also here as a comment. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel right now because a lot more similar videos are lined up in my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, this is Jubair signing off. Bye.